Hi everybody, this is Amit Kumar and I welcome to Power BI tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you an interesting topic is Power BI row level security. In short, it is also called as a Power BI RLS. So let's see a row level security in Power BI. It is all about restricting user to see a particular level of data. So this is very important topic, row level security. So now, what type of row level security we will implement? Suppose I do have three different type of users who is going to use our dashboard in Power BI service. If I will just restrict, I'll try to use the filter over here. Then this particular object and will be getting filtered. But if I will apply row level security in Power BI, then it will restrict the entire dashboard's data basically. The user would not be able to see any other division's data across this dashboard. Wherever he goes, all the data will be visible with respect to his division only. So let's start and let's jump into the practical how we can apply the row level security. Now we are here normally, but we have to go to this data modeling tab. Here this is a modeling tab, and in this modeling tab there is an option called manage role. I don't have any particular role for this. That means it is generic or it is open now. I have to create, say for example, I'll create three different roles for three different divisions. Okay. When South America user will be logging to the dashboard, he should be able to see the data of only South America, and so was applicable for other users also. North America user will be able to see North America data, not other data will be visible to him. So it is a kind of a global filter which will be applied and will filter out the data of that particular territory, and that user will be able to see his only data. Objects, all the objects, all the sheets will be visible to him, but only data respective to his division will be visible to him. So let's create, this is what we call as a manage role. You have to create a role for row level security. I'll just make it North America user. This is one. Now when I say North America, when I added North America as a role, all the tables used in my data model has been visible over here. So these are the tables. I'll go to the customer table. I have to click on this triple dot, click here, and there's an option called as add filter. If you add the filter, all the attributes of this table will be visible. So this is attribute division. Here in the division, instead of value, you have to replace North America as a input. Okay, this is the parameter. North America is the parameter which will be taken as input to the division to receive the data of the North America only. So now once you added it, just to ensure whether the script is correct or not, you have to click on this tick mark. If you just add something different, like I'll just add this will throw you error. Okay, because this is the DAX script and this is going to verify the DAX expression whether it is correct or not. So every time you add any script, just ensure to verify the DAX expression and get it corrected. Get it a confirmation that it is correct. Now I have to verify again and see this is correct. There is no errors available. Alright. Now same way I have to add one more role for South America. South America user. So when I add this South America, I have got separate a list of the tables. If I'll select the North America, I can see there is a filter out here. South America, there is no filter. I'll click again on the customer and choose the division again. South America, I'll put this as an input parameter. Then go to add one more filter here. This is one of our different division. I'll click it once again and then go to customer table again. If I want to copy something like from other tables, other filters, I can just copy from North America like this. If you don't want to, add something, if you want to write something from the scratch, not from the scratch, you just want to copy it. Then instead of, making or writing it again, you can just copy that. Suppose you have applied multiple conditions, not only division, there are multiple conditions you have applied. In that case, you can just copy the filters being taken in this North America user or South America user. Then you can just simply modify it. So instead of adding this value, I'll just put it this one and save. So very simple DAX expression I have created. Just save the dashboard. Now it's time to verify whether the data which we have said in the row level security is correct or not. So at the development end also we can check it. So there is an option called as view as. Click on this view as, see what is visible to people with different security roles and permissions. This is the option here. Click on this view as. Now we are here in the none level, like there is no security applied, no user defined algorithm is specified. Here I'll click on this EMEA user only. Now click OK. See, it will start showing me only EMEA user data. This particular division is showing the count is 4240 and the list of the customer in the EMEA is here. You can just notice that it is the last customer is RAP AG. First customer is starting from Alice. This is the list of the customers available in this division. Then I'll go and see another divisions data, North America. You would see, just look into this, there is no customer starting from A alphabet. So the list of the customers are already being changed. And here you would notice there is no filtration applied on any of this object. There is no filter. It is completely globally applied to particular user. So same way, if I'll use to see a different user which is South America, you should be able to see a different data 980. And it is also not starting from neither A or nor B, it is having the customers whose name starting from C. So completely different set of customers here. I just wanted to see that if the row level security is applied here, whether it is getting applicable to other tables or not, other reports or not. So I do have this summary report. If you'll go there, you see the customers names are starting from C. So this is completely different from the customer those are in EMEA. The list of the data across the dashboard is going to be changed. Now how we will implement this in the real-time scenario for user to see. There should be multiple user. In order to make it, I should be having three different users. So now I have only one user. I will try to show this with this. Okay, I'll go to the Power BI uh, server. I have to publish this row level security to the Power BI server in order to make it enabled. So I'm going to publish it. Here, this is my workspace. I have created for it. Then, okay, now it has been replaced, and I can open the dashboard from the Power BI server. Now here is my Power BI dashboard and the dataset. So since it is applicable on the database and the data is getting filtered out, data is getting restricted, I do have to change this security in this database only in the dataset, not here. You see, there is no option for the security on this dashboard level. I do have the security over here in the dataset level. So this option is a security. So from the database level, here you see this is on my dashboard content. If you go for the content, it is the dashboard. There is no option for the security over here. You have to go to the data sheet. Here in the data sheet, I do have these options like refreshing, scheduled refreshing, and security. When I click on this security, it will show you the row level security, that is RLS. So here, in order to make it applicable, we have to give access to different users. So right now I don't have multiple users, but I can just select, just for an instance, you select one user role, select another user role, and give the email address of the users. So here different users are there. I have to give multiple users access. Yeah, this is the user who will be able to see this EMEA user data. Just select this and save. This has been applied on this particular user. That Pradeep Tishutar is going to see this EMEA data only, North America user. So likewise, I have to add multiple users over here and save them. Okay, one user is added, and this is second user is added, and like that I have to do one save it. So when I will just log into this particular dashboard as this particular user email address, then I should be able to see the data over here.
So this was all about the Power BI row level security, or in short RLS. I hope you would have liked this video. Please subscribe in order to see the upcoming videos and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much.